Hey there, John Hooks here from John-Hooks.com. Welcome to my review of Profitly. Now, I have been looking at this for a few days now, and I think it is pretty spectacular with what it does, especially compared to some seemingly similar softwares that have come out in the past. I'm in the dashboard, the members area of it here now. We're going to come back to this and do a walkthrough of what it will do for you. But first, I need to get you over to my bonus page where I have additional information as well as a free gift for you just for watching this review video, the prices, and additional information. So from YouTube, go ahead and click on the link beneath the video that says get my exclusive bonuses and Profitly here. Click that link and it will take you to this very page that we're on right here. All right, so this is a brand new one-click technology that lets you drive hordes of free buyer traffic to any offer and make real profits by sending emails, in the next 40 seconds afterwards. Okay, so a little bit more about it. You're driving laser targeted traffic for your offers. It's not easy as it looks. Well, that's something that kept me thinking, and this is the creator speaking here, that kept me thinking for a long time, as finding a foolproof solution for that bails marketers out of this mess forever isn't as easy as it looks. And the results of my research revealed that paid ads is the only way to drive traffic. There was nothing better than this. Now hold up, because this is not about paid ads at all. But because the sad truth is that using paid ads needs tons of time and energy, not to mention money, in order to measure your performance and drive some bankable results. There's huge risk in choosing a diverse audience segment for your marketing campaigns. The costs associated with the marketing campaigns can shoot up at any given moment of time. The clicks from paid ads don't come with any type of guarantee of boosting sales or conversions. And you're not sure which types of paid ads are best suited to your particular business and for the results in the long run. So the best way to get maximum exposure, for my offers is to drive laser targeted traffic from social media. But before you start dreaming of driving traffic from social media and becoming an overnight success, I'd like you to know these things. Do you have the required financial resources to hire third parties to set up traffic campaigns for you? Are you ready to invest countless hours needed to do everything manually? Do you possess the prior tech skills and marketing skills in order to be a master at this? Can you choose the best amongst multiple money-sucking applications and wait for the results to come? So introducing Profitly. Brand new one-click technology, get you hordes of free buyer traffic to any offer and make $398 a day by sending emails within the next 48 seconds. So you're just 4 clicks away. 1, you're going to log in. 2, you're going to get top offers. 3, you're going to drive unlimited leads. And 4, you count your money coming in. So let's go back and take a look at the dashboard here. And so when you log in, this is automatically going to have up your top offers, and it's going to be a combination of offers from Warrior Plus, JVZoo, as well as ClickBank. And we'll show you how to get to those individually here in a moment. And so basically here, so you're going to have offers, but now you need to get lead. So we're going to put in a keyword search, let's say NFTs. Okay, whoops, that's kind of a hot thing right now. All right, and click on Analyze. Your limit exceeded, upgrade your account to search for more. Okay, so what has happened here is that being this is a shared JV access, and this is the front end version, you can only have a certain amount of searches per day in here. But fortunately, what I had done is I had done some searches. Okay, so what I did was 2 or 3 days ago when I was first looking at this, I did do some downloads, as far as getting leads, and it was pretty spectacular. And I am going to bring those results up here. All right, so I pulled up, I had exported some of these leads from the keywords here. So for NFTs, let me pull up the spreadsheet here. And of course, I'm on a Mac, and so this is numbers that I'm using. And I downloaded, I believe it pulls up a list of 50 each time. And so, okay, and then I did another search, and it came up with a whole completely different list of 50. So you can just keep doing this over and over again and just get tons of leads. All right, so I've done multiple searches on people that were searching for information about, in some way or another, on NFTs. And this goes through, it pulls from Google, Amazon, other social sources. And so you're getting some legitimate information from individuals who were looking for information or products with those keywords and had entered their email address. So these should be pretty good leads. All right, and so getting over here to the offers. So here you have them separated. So if you're only interested in one or the other, you can go into them individually. Of course, now ClickBank, if you're new or fairly new to this, ClickBank, you're automatically approved, for any offers. Just have a ClickBank account. Warrior Plus, you need to get approval, but it's certainly easier than getting approval for JVZoo. And so let's just click on one and take a look. So here is the Warrior Plus latest deals. You can see what the front end price of them are. You can see what the commissions are. You can even sort them, by commissions. You want to put the highest up top. You can do that, and of course you can go through your pages here and you'll see what's next. And so it's the same thing, with the JVZoo offers also. Okay. Now, then you have your subscriber management. Like I said, this is a shared group, so there are no subscriber details up here on this shared application today. You also have email integration. Now, you can export your leads into the email API, in the system, or you can export it to your own autoresponder. Your choice there, and there is a template, templates that you can use if you're using it within the system here. And so the rest of this is the bonuses that are being offered to you, the upgrades if you didn't get them. They have some done-for-you email swipes. It's also part of the upgrade settings there also. All right, so that is basically it. And so the amazing part is the quickness and thoroughness of the getting the leads here. And now, as a message had popped up earlier and said stay tuned for information about the free offer that I'm giving you just for watching this review video. So over here to my right side, you should see a QR code. Get your camera ready. Go ahead and snap that, and you have access to the free gift. And let's go back over to my bonus page and continue here. So what is this going to cost you today? $17. All right, so you're going to get your free buyer leads from any niche, get top offers from JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank, step-by-step detailed training, 24/7 tech support, and so on. We have a number of one-time offers. You have the Profitly Unlimited. And of course, as you've seen on the front end, there's a limit to how many leads you can do in a day's time. And so this here removes the limits for $47, okay? OTO number 2, done for you email swipes. And so you can use these done for you, copy and paste them, and send them out as your own. Includes high open rate subject lines, proven convert email swipes, catchy email subject lines, follow-up emails. OTO number 3, the Profitly Page Builder Edition for $97. Create limitless high converting landing pages for you. Offer number 4, Profitly agency license for $147. Basically, this is your resale rights. Allows you to sell Profitly as your own. You keep 100% of the profits. Okay, and so once again, the benefits here: tap into this untapped $4.26 billion, or not billion dollar, but billion email users every day. You know, kind of a first to market technology here. No prior tech or marketing skills needed. You can live the laptop lifestyle, newbie friendly, you know, lottie. Okay, of course, money back guarantee. Now, there is a demo video from the creator of this. Now, I would bookmark this page and come back. And if you want to see the demo that I just presented to you, this demo here, the audio is not quite bad. The creator has music playing. Now, I use music also, but the music playing here is drowning out the speaker, and the volume on top of that is real low to begin with. And along with that, you may not be able to, with the low volume and the music overtaking the narration, you know, then the speaker may be a little bit hard to understand if you are in the U.S. and have a hard time understanding, you know, accents. All right. So at any time, you can go ahead and click any of the red banners on my bonus page here to get your copy of Profitly. I have a bonus here. I have some bonuses for you here, starting out with traffic secrets, and this is also the free bonus that if you don't, you know, purchase through my link, you're going to get it anyway. Just, you know, make sure you do that QR code and download that. All right. You're going to have 5,000 visitors. My bonus number 2 to any URL of your choice. You know, plus 2,500 text ads and 2,500 banner impressions. You're going to get this course, Mayday Payday. Bonus number 4, YT Velocity. You know, set and forget free buyer traffic. And bonus number 5 are the bonuses that Profitly is giving you through me for purchasing Profitly through any of my banners here today. Okay, so this is sold through the Warrior Plus platform. If you've purchased through Warrior Plus before, you know what the page looks like. This is the purchase page where you go after you've gone through your secure checkout, and you'll click on the green button to access your Profitly app and the bonuses, and you'll click on the blue button to get the bonuses that I just offered to you today. That is it. I want to go ahead and thank you for taking the time to watch this review and the demo and the prices and the bonuses, and have a fantastic day, and as always, to your success.